How to fix Telegram unable to load contacts? Having trouble with Telegram not loading your contacts? Let's fix that right now. First, make sure Telegram has permission to access your contacts. Next, refresh your contacts inside Telegram by pulling down the contact list screen. This forces the app to resync your contacts. If your contacts still don't appear, clear the Telegram cache by going to settings of your mobile. This helps remove any corruptive data causing issues. Sometimes restarting your phone helps to reset contact syncing services, so give that a try. Also, double check that your contacts are saved correctly to your phone because Telegram uses that to identify users. Keep your contacts synced with your Google account for seamless updates across devices. Have you struggled with missing contacts on Telegram? Drop your experience in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.